Hi guys! Welcome again to my kitchen. Tonight, I'll cook chicken feet. So this chicken feet is the ingredients is like it's just um, garlic, onions, black pepper, soy sauce, and vinegar. So just simmer it and let the chicken feet get tender, and that's it. And I'll just put a little sugar and oyster sauce to make it yummier. That's my chicken feet, guys. So we're gonna eat this with mixed veggies. So I always have this mixed veggies. This is just a simple recipe. We always have this for a combination when we eat meat. So this is the perfect partner. So I just sauteed it in garlic, onion, black pepper, fish sauce, ground pork, or ground beef. So just saute the ground beef in that ingredients, and just put the mixed veggies, and that's it. Just wait it to get tender. Ito na siya, guys. Bali, ini-English ko kasi minsan may mga nagtatanong sa akin dito na kung pwede raw ay i-English ko. So, yan, nagtatry ako na mag-English. So, ayan na yung aking mixed veggies for dinner. That's it. And my chicken feet here in the United States. So, kahit nandito ako, ayan, may chicken feet pa rin akong nailuto. Bali, nabili namin to, guys, sa Asian market for almost $3. Yan siya, guys. Kunti lang siya. Wala pa siyang 2 pounds. So, at least, nag-request kasi si Manding na chicken feet daw. So, I'll cook it. Chicken feet adobo. That's my chicken feet adobo. And my sauteed mixed vegetable. So, dinner is ready, guys. Ayan yung aking veggies. Bali, yan na yung pinakakanin namin dito. And my chicken feet adobo. Hope you like it, guys. And if you want something to ask, just comment below. And don't forget to subscribe, because I always have this unique recipe here in my simple life. Bye!